For Bud series, required parts list. These accessories come from the same production batch as the original module. Damaged modules. Please make sure to return the kit from the same batch along with the faulty modules. Bubble paper. Pack the modules with pearl cotton or bubble wrap to avoid secondary damage during rough logistics handling. Wrap it with tape. Be sure to include your name, address, model and quantity of the modules to be repaired, and the contract PI number.